Sometimes on X or Twitter, based on your recent follows, you'll get some suggestions in your email. If you don't want these kinds of email notifications, you can disable one setting, and after that, you won't get email notifications for this. In this video, we'll be showing you how to do this. For this, what you need to do is open the X app. After opening it, at the top you can see your profile photo. Tap on this profile photo. When you tap on that, here you can see Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Support. And here you can see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. And when you tap on that, here you can see Notifications. Tap on Notifications. When you tap on that, here you can see Preferences. Tap on Preferences. And here you can see Email Notifications. Tap on this. When you tap on that, here you can see Email Notifications is turned on. If you don't want any email notifications, you can disable this. Anyway, I'm turning it on, and I want to disable only specific email notifications. For that, here you can see the From X option. Under that you can see suggestions based on your recent follows. You need to disable this. After that, you won't get these kinds of email notifications. So this way you can easily disable these notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.